Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 10 without using a flash drive or losing files. If you're watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. The first step, we'll go to Google and search for download Windows 10. We will go to the first link. Well, there are two ways to download Windows 10. The first method is through the Media Creation tool. We will download the tool by clicking on Download Now. We will double-click on the tool. This message tells me that this tool cannot be run. Now we will go to the second method for downloading Windows 10. We will return to the Microsoft website again. Then we right-click here. From the menu we select Inspect. From this side menu, we click on this option. Then we reload the Microsoft website. Then we close the side menu. We can now download an ISO image of Windows 10. Now we scroll down. Then click here and select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO. Then we press Confirm. Here we will choose the Windows language. We must choose the same language in Windows 7. Here I will choose the United States English language. Then we press Confirm. Here I will choose to download Windows 10 with a 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. To confirm this, we will right-click on the My Computer icon. Then we click on Properties. Through System Type, we will ensure that we are working on a 64-bit system. Here we will click on 64-bit download. I have already downloaded Windows. We'll go to Google again and type WinRAR download. We will go to the first link. Then click here to download WinRAR 64-bit version. Then we double-click on the program to install it. If you have WinRAR installed on Windows, you don't need to download and install it again. In the future, if you are unable to download Windows 10 from the official website, I will show you a website where you can download Windows 10. We'll go to Google and type Windows 10. We will go to the first link. As you can see here, you can download any version of Windows, including Windows 10. I will now extract the Windows 10 files using WinRAR by right-clicking on the ISO file and selecting Extract to Windows 10. Before starting the upgrade process, make sure there is enough free space in Partition C. There should be at least 15 or 20 gigabytes of free space in Partition C, as this will be checked at the beginning of the upgrade process. We will now open the folder containing the Windows 10 files. I will now double-click the setup file. Now we will click on this option and select Not Now. If you want to download drivers and updates, leave the selection on the first option. Then I will click on Next. A serial number must be added here. This serial number is for completing the upgrade process and does not activate Windows. I will now go to Google search and type Windows 10 generic key. Then we go to this website to get the serial number. Now we scroll down. I will copy this serial key for Windows 10. Now I will press Ctrl+V to paste the serial number into this box. The serial is working. Then I will click on Next. Here I will click Accept to agree to the license terms. Here I am informed that I will be upgraded to Windows 10 Pro and I will keep my personal files and programs. If you want a clean installation without any programs or files, click here and select Nothing. I will now click on Install to begin the upgrade process from Windows 7 to Windows 10. If you are using a laptop, you must make sure it is connected to a power source. The computer will restart several times during the upgrade process. The time the upgrade process takes depends on your computer and internet speed. Here we will disable all these options. The upgrade process was completed successfully without any data loss. At the end of the video, you will find another tutorial on how to upgrade to Windows 10, as well as how to revert back to Windows 7 after the upgrade process if you wish to do so. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more helpful tutorials.